Beneath a sky ablaze with crimson light, the ground splits to reveal glowing veins of molten rock. Towering beings over 50 feet tall move through the surreal wasteland. One, with a galactic mane shimmering with constellations, strides forward. Another unfurls massive, tattered wings that hum with an ancient melody, sparking golden threads into the air. This desolate world pulses with life, its every breath a story of cosmic wonder.